Friends coming over? No, I did not just drop my phone. I'm so happy it did not break. Anyway, sorry about that. I just need to grab my mom's purse or wallet or something so she can give me some money. Yeah, I borrowed mom's money. I don't have a job yet, even though I just earned 6 cents off YouTube, which they need to pay me soon. So yeah, run away. I'll meet you guys there. It'll be fun. That did not go as planned.
No, don't trip.
I won't this time like I did. And yes, I tripped on the way in. Let's go on YouTube. Trans. No, Caitlin.
Let me see it.
It's right there. You know what's going on YouTube, right? What's going on YouTube? You're gonna 98 people are gonna see you.
I don't care.
Maybe even more.
Hit me
Oh,
up.
you scratched me.
How do I scratch you?
You have long nails.
She does. And she likes to beat people with them.
Honestly. Okay, we're at Knott Scary Farm.
I forgot my hat.
I have a beanie, so. Oh, this is gonna be ratting. It's getting cold. No, my phone. It's going on YouTube inside. You put it sideways. It's like that. It's going on all on YouTube. A lot of people are gonna see this. You know. Hey, my phone. Feeling. All right, sorry about that, guys. That's from my friend.
Really? Sorry
By the way,
about that.
Oh, it's gonna be cool.
Dantisha.
You call me
Dantisha.
No.
Dantisha.
No, you get all the people who call me Daniela now on YouTube.
No, it's
Go on.
Dantisha.
No, not Dantisha. Rad. Look at this. Scary.
Salvisha. Salvisha.
Salvisha. Actually, I have a friend named Sal. I'm not gonna say it. Talking about names for me, girl names. It's weird. This is gonna be rad. Are you guys hyped?
No.
I am. I am.
Just kidding. Wait. We're like the people in the rides, man.
I know.
Guys, how do you do that thing? Like when you,
What thing?
like you notice how like when you skip and then.
Yeah.
Hold up, I'm gonna try that.
Skip
I'm
and
gonna
what?
make my feet click.
Oh, I can't do that. I want to do that.
Okay, so.
Out of all the things I want to learn how to do, it's
I
one of
wanna
them.
learn
It's like, I can't even. No, I'm gonna try it. I have a camera, man. I'm gonna risk that.
it. No, I mean when you skip and then.
And then click your heels.
I can't.
Like you said, jump, then you click your heels or something.
I can't, man.
I have all the things I want to legitimately learn, like how to read music and backflip and stuff. It's like the most simple thing, but yeah, it's hard. Like click heels.
What?
I don't have no idea what I'm talking about right now. It's being awkward. Oh, awkward, aren't we? This beanie's getting kind of weird.
It's there.
What?
Kid.
Wonder if horse squat. Oh man, horse squat's in Florida though. Well, if you guys were here. Hi, horse squat. If you guys seen this, big fan. I'm watching you.
That's cool.
Lot of people. There's other people. I'm going into that. Son of a bitch! There's the sign.
Definitely make sure you take a lot of pictures.
I will.
For his YouTube.
No, for my parents, honestly. My parents want pictures. You guys can't see that. I have to turn on the light later, but that's, I have to turn on the light. Hello. You're freaking out already! Oh, jeez, hello.
I can't see. Turn on the light.
No! This is rad. Oh, that's correct. Get wrecked, Kaylin. You too, Savannah. With me.
How bad do you have to go? Because that's the line. Let's find another one. You have to
People screaming.
Okay, there's right there.
I should have worn my costume today. That would have been rad. Oh, hi. It's Samoa Joe. Oh. Just can't see him.
Which way were we going?
Ghost Rider, hello. It's hard to see. The light on as well. See that though. Ugh. Ugh. I smell food! We just had food at a burger place.
Yeah, I know.
Get back.
Don't, if you blur that in my face, I'm gonna blur you in the face. Just kidding. No, I should.
What? Ooh, look at that. Oh, oh hell no. No, thank you. Thank God I got that on camera. Trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
What does that mean?
Wait, what's this?
What's a maze? Oh, no, okay. You guys want to do the maze?
Is there, we just walk out?
The maze. There's an amazing maze.
Stop.
Oh, hi. Oh, it's in my eyes. It's massive.
Yeah.
Massive roller coaster.
I get in that.
Oh, look at this. Do this.
Yo, that Melody Martinez.
What?
The Melody Martinez concert.
Look at this. Oh, hello. No, thank you. Okay, we just got out of that. That was scary. This girl was hanging on to me. Like, oh, hi. Yeah, Kaylin, why? That was good. Trick or treat, Universal Studios. Not really, not scary fun. That was awesome. 10 out of 10. My friends just got chased. Yo, just got chased! 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 That was insane! Kazuma's revenge! Not even in the frame, but still, look at. Nope, you failed. This is gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Hi. A rainforest. It's a rainforest. I just cut my hand on something. I just cut my hand on something, I don't know what, but yeah, I'm on Kazuma's revenge. And look at that pig, sorry. Look at that pig!